I can't be the only person on the planet that believes there are different styling methods for different hair types. In today's video, we're going to start with a primer first. And by we, I mean Danielle and I. We love curly hair. We teach about curly hair on Instagram and on YouTube. And we decided to try out the same products but with our own routine. For example, if you see, we are raking in this primer. But if you look at my hair, I rake it differently. The way I distribute it through my hair and the way Danielle distributes through her hair. Because of my density, my hair is thicker, relatively thicker than Danielle's, so I have to rake it in a way that it distributes evenly. Danielle likes to style on damp hair while I love wet soaking hair. That's the second difference between our routines. After applying the TréLuxe primer, we move on to styling our hair. This is the part where we manipulate our hair to enhance our natural texture. Because Danielle loves the brush styling technique, I decided to give it a try also. It's very interesting to note how Danielle brushes her hair. She parts her hair on her natural parting side and brushes so that to smooth the product evenly. Inspired by her, I decided to give my new hairbrush a try. I'll link it in the description for you. But for now, know that this is a new hairbrush. I'm still struggling to learn how to use it. But for me, my brush styling technique is definitely different from Danielle's owing to the density difference. I have to brush in really small sections and I have to stand upright so that I don't miss any sections. I cannot do it sideways like the way Danielle did it. So that's another difference of how we style our hair. While I wasn't planning to show you how I brush style because obviously I'm a newbie at using this brush, but I wanted you to know the mistakes I was making. Over here I brushed in a way that it stretched out my curl for some reason. Obviously I wasn't doing it right and I don't want you to follow this method, but look at this. It stretched out my hair in the top section. And it'll be interesting to see how this looks like on my dried hair, so keep watching till the end. After brush styling my whole head, I noticed that my gray area needed a little bit of help, so I will finger coil them per usual, and this gives me the best definition. It obeys those curl clumps together and helps me get really nice clumpy frizz-free gray hair, and that's only because of the finger coiling technique. If you have stubborn curl clumps that just don't clump, I encourage you to finger coil those pieces into submission. Note that we both have styled our hair just with the primer. Now I will show you how we apply the hair gel. We're using the TréLuxe hair gel because it complements the TréLuxe primer beautifully. The first difference is the quantity. While Danielle uses that much 3 times, I would not use that much gel. Danielle prefers to use more gel, and it's likely because her hair is high porosity color treated. Note that she loves scrunching in the gel. So far, note that even though we're using the same products, the way we use them is so different. The way I apply the hair gel is this way. This is the praying hands method. Remember, these are all choices and guidelines. You have to decide how to apply hair products based on what your hair likes. These are our styled results. Our wet hair that is completely styled with just 2 products. And these are our completely dried results. I love how my hair has turned out. It's voluminous, it's bouncy, it feels light and oh so shiny. And so is Danielle's hair. She loves the results also. And it's because she has styled the way her hair loves it. And I have styled the way my hair prefers it. I also noticed because of the brush styling, my hair is looking like Sophie Marie. She is known for her brush styling. She's possibly the brush styling queen. Peep the stretched areas that I showed you when I was brushing my hair. I just need to practice a little bit more. Did you like this comparison? Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in comments. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.